A feature-rich stand mixer has never been so affordable. Coming in two configurations to fit your precise need, one of these two beautifully designed culinary workhorses from Litchi will take center stage in your kitchen. It all starts with a powerful 650-watt motor that has the precision to ensure your cake batter is light and airy and delivers the power to mix and knead a heavy or dense dough. Plus, simple design refinements such as the placement of the cooling fan away from the mixing bowl and easy-to-clean rounded surfaces are a testament to the collaborative work of designers and world-class pastry chefs. The 5.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl is larger than most mid-level stand mixers, and all of the included accessories such as the sturdy whisk, dough hook, mixing blade, flex beater, and integrated bowl cover make this a value that can't be beat. For the discerning chef that needs more than just pure mixing power, an upgraded package includes a grinder and blender attachment. Discover your inner chef with a stand mixer